Two lions work together to dig a burrow and hunt a wild boar. One lion uses its powerful claws to dig through the soil, while the other takes on the role of guarding and blocking the prey's escape route. Once they reach the wild boar inside the burrow, the lions swiftly trap the prey and pull it out of the hole. With their combined strength and coordinated strategy, they quickly attack and take down the wild boar. This is a prime example of the perfect teamwork and hunting intelligence of lions.